Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jeep Renegade. So first of all, we go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth's on, we're watching out at the bottom, we go over here, click phone. So it says no phone paired, there's nobody in here with the phone paired, so pair a phone, yes. Start pairing phone or other Bluetooth device, vehicle device name, Uconnect, pin 1476. So we've got Uconnect here, that's come up already. Click on Uconnect. What happens? Vehicle device name, confirm the pin shown corresponds to that on the device. Yes, it does. 702176. Pair and accept. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Bluetooth pairing successful. This device supports audio and phone. That's brilliant. So okay, there you go. It's downloading my phone book. That'll take a while, but it's basically done. And let's just see, Uconnect connected. So that's it done. Phone ready. All sorted. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music with Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jeep Renegade. So first of all, if we go to music here, you see there at the bottom, if I click at the bottom, there's a tick next to Uconnect. That means any audio that plays on my phone, if this is set up properly, it will play through the speakers in the Jeep Renegade. So go back, I'm going to click play. That's playing. I'll turn it up. Then we go over here, we go to media, click on media. Connected device, that's USB. That's not what I want. So you've got select source there. Click on select source, we want Bluetooth. Bluetooth, Barry's iPhone, turn it up. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jeep Renegade. So we're on nav at the moment. If we go to phone, you'll see there, no phone connected, pair a phone. I don't want to pair a phone. So this looks like a little cog, a little gear. So we click that. Display units, voice clock, still not showing. Click down, safety. Click down again, audio, phone, Bluetooth. Phone, Bluetooth. And you've got there, add device, so you can do exactly the same. You can use this to pair a mobile, but we want to delete it. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, and then there's a gear, a cog there, settings, icon. Click on that, connect device or delete device, delete device. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Jeep Renegade. From any screen, we go to nav. If you click on nav, that's just showing the map. So at the moment, if we click it again, the screen comes up, where to? That's what we want, where to? Address, recent, points of interest, favorites, junction, home. So we want address, spell out town, enter postcode. So enter postcode's the easiest. We're onto there. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howalton, Preston. P R, it's defaulted to numbers, 5. Now, we've only got 2 numbers in our postcode, so I'm going to click space, and then I need numbers again. So where's numbers gone? Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, onto there. PR5, 4. It's gone back to letters, E, A. You wouldn't need to do that step if your postcode had 3 numbers in it. PR5, 4EA, click on that. It's loading, that's it.
The route is being calculated.
So we'll just give it a second to calculate the route. But basically, options, save, yes. That's it.